What's up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I've got the R32 GT-R here with me. It's in the garage. It's a little bit sad. Just by the way, if you want to click off the video, this is an update video. Not much going to happen. GT-R. Bumper's off. Why is it off? Because I messed up. There's the bumper. Basically, there's a video I was filming, which I just haven't had the time to edit because there's so many parts to it. I was messing around with my anti-lag and deceleration backfires and whatever. It sounds epic. It's really cool. I know a lot of people are going to say in the comment section, oh, it's not good for your turbos, whatever. So what happened was some dude was behind me and he was filming me off his cell phone. Gave him a thumbs up. He asked me to rev. Started revving quite a bit. Anti-lag story happened and I built up some boost and I hit it quite hard and first my boost pipe on the cold side, so on this side, just blew off. It actually blew down. And it broke this under tray in half. You can see it's all stuffed over there. Broke the under tray. It actually damaged the bumper a bit as well. That one. And then the car ran like absolute donkey shit. Black smoke, white smoke, whatever smoke was coming out the back. And I could barely drive. Every time I try to like floor it and give it a bit of power to just bog out and die. Fixed the pipe. Obviously it's not hard piping, it's got some big, whatever, it's not even silicone, it's like rubber. This guy here, I need to do some hard piping, but I made some temporary beading. It looks like it'll stick on. I put some silicone as well, didn't have that before. Hopefully it doesn't blow off. The problem is now it fouled my spark plugs. I'll start the car just wants to die out and sounds horrible. When you clean the plugs, I mean I've done this already, I did this a couple of months ago, because the other side blew off. You know, you fix one side, the other side breaks. I know I need hard piping. I've been so focused on the RX-7. If you go look back at my videos, it's RX-7, RX-7, RX-7. It's just, GT-R type. What else? I'll fix it in a minute, but let me update you guys on a couple of things. One, MR2. I've started sanding it, like properly. Like I've got my little sander block, whatever, using different grades of sandpaper. And I filled it a while ago, just didn't have time to sand it, so now I'm sanding it. I'm getting the front, bonnet, bumper, fenders and the lip resprayed. I've been talking about it for a while. I'm finally doing it. The car's no longer here, it's not at my house, and it's going to get sorted out very, very soon. What I do have next door in the carport is the black RX-7 FD. It's actually the first time it's living in this house. I've never brought it here because I've never had space, and the other cars, well, took priority because they are better cars. And the reason why it's here as well is, well, there's space. Two, the silver RX-7 is no longer here. If you missed out a couple of the videos, the silver RX-7 is sitting with Russ Tech Race Engineering up in Hillcrest, and Russ and I are going to be building the down pipe, the mid pipe, redoing the intercooler pipes, and making some cool brackets, doing it his way, the pro way, the way it's supposed to have been done, not like what I do. And it'll be ready sometime in the future. R32 GT-R, still doing my thing. I still plan on doing the single turbo story on the R32 GT-R, just not right away. I want to get one car sorted at a time. And that's always been my downfall, is I'll move and I'll do something on the MR2, then I'll do something on the R32 GT-R. And I just want to focus, I want to get that RX-7 finished. But the GT-R is here, it's in the garage. I'm going to do some maintenance this coming week, or weekend. I got my oil, actually got two brand new oils, both are 10W40s, and I don't know, I'll just flip a coin and choose whichever one. Fuel filter, oil filter for it, got two oil filters for it, and radiator flush and blah blah blah. Anyway, now it's here, I'm going to do full maintenance on the car, and then what am I going to be doing? Oh, and jumping around here, you see how my brain works. Jumping around here, RX-7 FD, the silver one. I got a new steering wheel thanks to Reyes in Cape Town. Huge thank you to him. I've got the smaller Ifany steering wheel. Currently I've got that touring wheel on, which is massive, and you know, I'm a bigger guy. I'll be able to sit inside the car with that wheel. And his wheel is really going to help me, so huge thank you to Reyes for that. The wheel should be here next week. Obviously the car's not with me, so I'm not going to throw it in the car just yet. What else? I was saying big single turbo on this car. I will be doing it, just not right now. I have that splitter pipe over there. I don't know if you can see it. The silver thing there. Basically what that does is, there you can see it a little bit better. It'll be able to allow me to run dual MAF on a big single turbo. Now you wonder why I'm going to be going that. Because I want to go old school. I want to do the old school route. Apexy Power FC, dual MAF. I'll go for the, well, they're sitting over there actually. Z32 MAFs. You know, all the good stuff when the cars was set up back in the day with like a T88, an old school type turbo. I don't know what turbo yet actually, probably a T88 or T78. And I'll do a T51R mod, so it sounds super cool. That is the plan. Alright, now like I said, finish one car at a time, and that car is the RX-7, the silver RX-7. Anyway, enough talking. I'm going to get this car open and pull out the plugs. Hopefully start it up and the car's fine. All this crap. I wasn't cleaning up all now, but then I figured let me make a video for you guys and fix this car. Stop being a lazy ass. How do you do it? You take out all these little grub screws that are in here, and then you got to take all the screws that are off this distributor, unplug it, take the ground off that was on there, take this guy off, that pipe, and then you pull the cover off, and you got easy access to your plugs. See? Piss easy. There's the coil packs. Unplug, 2 screws, coil pack comes out, you got access to your plugs. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Changed the plugs, car's running beautifully, I'm so stoked. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It was a quick update video. See you all on the next one.